Hello, and welcome to Storytime with Miss Bethany. I'm Miss Bethany. I work at the Beaverton City Library. Today, we are up in the trees and we can see that there's a nest with some baby birds. A baby bird, when they're this age, they're a nestling. A nestling is a bird developing in a nest. It is not ready to leave the nest and needs to be fed by its mom or dad. What do you think baby birds eat? Do they eat pizza? No. Do they eat Cheetos? No. Baby birds eat things like insects, seeds, and worms. So sometimes the mama or daddy bird leaves the nest to go find some food for the babies. So that's what's happening here. Can you help me count how many baby birds there are in the nest? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little birds in a nest in a tree are just as hungry as can be. Peep, said baby bird number 1. Mother bird promised she would come. Peep, peep, said baby bird number 2. If she doesn't come, what will we do? Peep, 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 said baby bird number 3. I sure hope she can find our tree. Peep, 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 said baby bird number 4. She has never been this late before. Peep, 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 said baby bird number 5. When will our mother bird finally arrive? Look who it is. Here comes mother bird to feed her family. Now they're all as happy as can be. Oh, here comes the mama bird giving them food. Thanks for sharing that rhyme with me. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.